Hey everyone, Vinayak here. If you feel that your vacuum cleaner is not powerful enough and the wire that tethers you to the wall doesn't allow you to get to all the nooks and crannies you would like to, maybe this would help. If you needed an excuse to start cleaning your rooms, maybe get one of these, the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is the Absolute model, which includes all of the attachments you could get from Dyson. Looks wise, it is very futuristic with muscular accents and flashy colors. When you first open up the box, you will notice that there are a lot of attachments in it. Let's check them out. You have the mini soft dusting brush, mattress upholstery brush, an up top or angling adapter, flexi crevice tool, rigid crevice tool, soft dusting brush, soft roller cleaner head which is motorized, a direct drive cleaning head which is motorized too, an extension hose, mini motorized tool, the combination tool, a wall charging mount, and a power adapter. And the most important item, the Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner itself. Here's the V8. It's not light in the hand and it's not heavy either at 2.6 kilos. It's well balanced and is comfortable to hold in the hand. It has the mode switch on top to switch between standard and max power. On the back is the HEPA filter, which is supposed to filter the air before it leaves the exhaust. Below is the battery and behind is the charging port. Squeezing the red trigger activates the V8 and it has to be held down to keep the V8 running. Leave the trigger and it stops. The grey, purple and red on the V8 and also the orange on the wand makes it very noticeable. But the colors have meaning. Red are parts that you can manipulate like the trigger, attachment points and the emptying lever. The blue parts are the filters which can be cleaned. Below is the battery indicator shown as 3 LEDs. 1 is low, 2 is medium, 3 is high. The trigger is easy to access, but holding down the button for long periods of time won't be easy. It's okay for quick jobs, but no way we can hold it down for 40 minutes. Yes, I did say a runtime of 40 minutes, and it is true if you only use the small non-motorized attachments. The battery does take 4 to 5 hours to charge. The charging mount helps keep the V8 charged by just needing to dock it. You don't need to have full power to use the V8, and for short bursts of cleaning, it would always be ready. The mount can also hold up to 2 tools, and a bag is also provided to keep the rest. The V8 is clever enough to stop charging once it's done, and doesn't draw any power once idle. The motor is called the Dyson Digital Motor V8 and is capable of running at around 110,000 RPM with 115 air watts of power. Using the motorized tools, it gives a runtime of around 25 to 26 minutes in standard mode. In max mode, the vacuum runs for only 7 to 8 minutes. To charge the vacuum, we need to use the provided charging adapter. And the LEDs above the batteries start to blink, indicating that charging is taking place. The vacuum cleaner cannot be used in charging mode. The tools attach to the vacuum easily with an audible snap, and swapping them is quite easy. Push tool in, wait for the snap, use. To remove, press down on the button and pull off. It's that easy. The extension tube enables increasing the reach of the V8 and the tools attached to its end for use. One thing I didn't like is the sticker on the tube. I almost removed it and found that the model name is on the sticker and not etched onto the tube. This is not something you would like on an expensive vacuum. Did I say how expensive it was? Nope. Wait till the end to find out. The attachments are as unique as the V8 itself, especially the mini motorized tool, the direct drive cleaner head and the soft roller. These tools are motorized and help with better cleaning. The mini motorized tool helps with cleaning beds and upholstery. The direct drive cleaner is to be used on carpets and is especially helpful for people with pets. The soft roller is more like an all-in-one tool. It has a soft rolling brush which is highly maneuverable. It keeps rotating in parallel to the ground and picks up dirt both large and small. Each tool has its own special function. So if you use the right tool for the right job, it becomes so much easier. The HEPA filter at the back of the V8 can be accessed by opening the blue cap. The filter can filter particles as small as 0.3 microns before releasing the air from the exhaust. This is good for people with allergies, as it is actually cleaning the air every time you vacuum in your room. The air is released from the sides of the V8 so that it doesn't blow on your face. There is another filter on the top which is easily removable. Both the filters can be washed, and it is suggested to use cold water to wash them. And the filters have to dry out completely before installing them back. One of the main features of the V8 is the bagless design. All the dirt is sucked up and stored in the container in front of the main motor. The dust that enters the chamber keeps spinning around, not blocking the airflow, thus not losing any suction power. This is Dyson's cyclonic separation, where the dust can be dropped into the bin and the clean air leaves the vacuum like in a spin dryer. The bin can hold up to 0.58 liters, which may not sound like much, but is quite big. Emptying the V8 bin is quite easy too. Pull back on the red lever and pull up. This opens the lid below and the bin empties out. Be careful if you have allergies to dust, as the fine particles release in a small cloud. The bin being so big, it's also easy to reach in and pull out any dust or dirt stuck inside. I had a lot of fun using the V8, and it is also one of the most expensive vacuums that I have used. If you are pro into cleaning and also like to keep everything immaculate, this might be a good choice for you. That is, only if the price doesn't shock you first. This costs around 38,900. I think that is too in a discount. Yes, I know it's pricey, but if you want a powerful vacuum which is also cordless, then this would be a good choice. Or else there might be also corded choices which might be more powerful and at a little lower price. It's all up to you. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.